Now if we talk about your render function, so basically what it deals is it returns a template. So for this thing to perform, we need to have a template over which we could conditionally render that template. Okay, and over that, how we would be proceeding on that, let us see with an example. For now I'm commenting the code inside this, and I'm even commenting my handle clicks. Okay, and now working just on my render function. I hope you understood the rendered callback, that whenever there would be a template, if true, your mind should be triggered in such a way that okay, it would be working under the circumstances of a rendered callback. So wherever you get an error like cannot set field values, so basically these kinds of errors are just for your component loading and rendering. So I hope that this might help you somewhere or another way. This would benefit you. So working over with our render function. So see, if we want to conditionally render a template, okay, what we would be doing is we would be creating an entire new template, and in this template, what we would be doing is we would be creating a label or a button first. Okay, a button is created, and in my parent hook, what I would be doing is I would be removing all the extra code that we just did, because I just want you to explain my render function only. So what I would be doing is first of all I would be creating another template for this one. Why? Because I have to just create a template, because my render function returns me a template. So I would be doing a new file in this, like I would be you could give this any name, like I can give this name like child component comp.html, and what I would be writing in my childcom.html, I would be writing a template. So basically the main funda of these files is that they would share a single JavaScript file, and in this I would be writing hello and welcome to template 2. Okay, and just this only, and what we could do is I think that's okay for now. Moving over to my parent file, so what I would be doing is I would be importing this import first template from uh, from where from your practice lifecycle hooks 1.html, and import second template from where you would be importing this. You would be importing this from your child comp.html. Okay, and now what you would be doing is uh, you would be just defining a dummy variable like template number, and we would be giving this temp1, and we would be just working on the handle click method that we have in here. So what we would be doing is handle click, and Inside of this handle click, what we would be doing is we would be checking that if this dot template number is equal to temp, so we would be checking for the type as well. So 3 equals, I would be doing that this dot template number is equal to temp2, and template number is equal to temp2, assigning this. Else what I would be doing is this template number is equal to temp1. Okay, just change the code a little bit in the hand click, and now what we would be doing is I would be calling the render function. I would be calling the render function, and in this I would be doing that if this dot template number is equal to your temp1, so I would be doing return me the first template, else what you could do is return me the second template. Okay, simple. So now let's see how this works. Just I want to see the rendering, how this takes place. So I would be writing inside. Okay, so deploying this to org and checking what has it became. So go to template 2, see inside render method, and in here it shows that hello and welcome to template 2. So anytime whenever you want to conditionally render something, you could make use of your render template. So in here also you could create a button that could redirect you to the template one. So all depends upon you, and I hope you all understood that how the render callback, connected callback, and your constructor things works. Okay, two other things are also there, like the disconnected callback as well as the error callback. So the disconnected callback flows from your parent to child. So so when a parent is removed from the DOM or any element is removed from the DOM, it works then. And your error callbacks helps us to cater with some errors that you could catch up in the parent component if there are some errors in your child component. So you could also practice those as well, but the main agenda for this video was to elaborate the basic working scenarios in depth for some of the life cycle hooks, and I hope you could make something out of this video. And if you understood this video, do give us a like then. Thanks for watching.